Share with you in quarter 4. Blast furnace department has risen to your call and they have produced 1.68 million ton of hot metal, which is the best ever in the history of iron making of RINL. And that has come along with a fuel rate of 531 kg and 107 kg of PCI injection. Even our annual average of PCI injection has just fallen short of 100 kg. That is primarily because of the truncated operation for 7-8 months, initial 7-8 months of the year. But we have not fallen short of last year's figure. We have in fact surpassed last year's figure of 97 kg. And we are confident, sir, with all your encouragement, with all your inspiration, with all your assistance, we will be fulfilling all those things, all those targets for the coming year. Without taking much of time, sir, I would like to request Edivar sir to give his address, sir.
Let me congratulate each one of you for the outstanding and stupendous performance by the blast furnace. Whatever has been required by the organization, that you have already delivered it. But then you will have to continue the same and then see that your performance levels, you will excel in the months to come. That is the requirement of the 21-22. There's no doubt, like once upon, you always had taken the advantage of the corona pandemic, because when you are first as a requirement of the organization, you had to shut down the blast furnace. Everybody was surprised whether it is possible or not. Maybe the first time or the second time you had taken the expertise of the Russian. But then the third time when it had come, you said you just tell us the number of days, you will take care of it. That's what all of you have done it. Full credit goes to all of you. Because every department had the opportunity of commissioning and stabilization, but then you had the other advantage of you just tell us the requirement, you will do it. That is when to shut and when to again tap the hot metal through the blast furnace. So hearty congrats once again to all of you. The requirement of the 21-22 is much more stiffer. Of course, for you it is not stiffer because the asking rate of 18,500 or 19,000 on an average is not tough for you, because you have achieved 20,500 level. That's the record level. And as well as the PCA or the fuel rate, whatever has been set for this year, I am sure that with all your expertise and the experience, you will be able to achieve it. Right. Hearty congrats once again to all of you. Thank you.
Good evening. One of the reasons for raising the bar is that you are never disappointed. Thank you for the support which you have given to me, to the plant and yourself and your home. We are really indebted, and the way we have shut down our furnace in last financial year, and then we brought it down back in operation, and then last December as well as the last quarter, if I say, 1.68 million ton. What you have mentioned is, so that itself speaks about the potential you have. And if I even give some discount, what Ranjan has said 20%, if I say only 15% this time, so that sets the target. So that is the potential. And yes, we would be, it is our job, we will be providing the raw material. But as it turned out, of course, market is good. It is the 3 blast furnace when they run the level of 6.7, 6.8 million ton of hot metal. That perhaps sets that these plants will be profitable. That is how it has been indicated in the last 3-4 months. We have to see that we operate at that capacity, as well as now we have to focus, and the small box size has been done by your department, your leader, that how to produce this iron, this quantity, utilizing a little of low quality of so that we can reduce the cost. That is one part. I don't know for it. Second is PCI. You clearly know that you could have touched 150, 120 this time, had it been operated for the whole year. Of course, that we could not do, but I'm sure next year you will be doing that. So with these two things, and yes, we have to take a lot of care as Corona is still not gone. Another thing is that this plant shutdowns. I think this is not an opportune one, but I will take opportunity for 2 things. One is March has not been very good as far as maintenance is concerned. I think all of you will agree, and if we agree, then only we can improve upon it. So it has to be consistent. I'm sure you will be you yourself will be raising bar and coming to the expectation of market profitability of this country. Another bad thing which I wanted to say, I am not able to raise myself. Many of you are there in chappals and sandals. Just look at yourself, see whether it is really needed. If it helps, I will not say anything. Otherwise, everybody should be in their shoes. Very simple. So once again, congratulations. Stay safe, stay healthy, and be highly productive at low cost, so that we can earn a lot of profit. Thank you.
Proud that we have come back and we have bounced back with a very resounding performance in the March. Sir, for your message.
whatever I have done, कि जो भी सिचुएशन देख के प्लांट का फाइनेंशियल परिस्थिति देख के हमने किया। अगर आप बोलोगे कि इससे ज़्यादा हो सकता था तो मैं सोचता हूँ कि मुझसे और कोई बेटर मेहनत करने वाला बेटर मैनेजमेंट जो आगे वो कर सकता था। बट पॉइंट वही है कि आज हम ये बात करने आए हैं कि ये प्लांट अगर हमको चलाना है, ये प्लांट को अगर हम लोगों को प्रॉफिट में चलाना है एंड योर सस्टेनेबिलिटी, आवर सस्टेनेबिलिटी, प्लांट सस्टेनेबिलिटी, 3 ब्लास्ट फर्नेस चलना चाहिए। 3 ब्लास्ट फर्नेस चलेगा देन ओनली ये प्लांट का परिस्थिति जो है आपको कैटेगरिकली क्लियरिटी के साथ बोल रहा हूँ। जब भी आप लोग 1 चला रहे थे, 2 चला रहे थे, सैलरी देना नामुमकिन हो गया। एक्सपोर्ट मार्केटिंग के ऊपर में हम बहुत ध्यान किया है, एक्सपोर्ट के ऊपर में ध्यान देंगे सो दैट एटलीस्ट जब भी ये मार्केट डाउन होगा एक्सपोर्ट से पैसा ला के हम लोग अपना प्लांट चलाएं। बट पॉइंट वही है कि अगर 3 ब्लास्ट फर्नेस हम लोग ढंग से नहीं चला रहे हैं मतलब ये प्लांट सस्टेनेबल है। एंड जो 19,000 टन की जो मेटल की बात कर रहे हैं कि इट इज फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ आवर्स। कल आप ये बात कर रहे हो कि एनएलटीसी बात करते हो कि लीव एंड कैश बात कर सकते हो कि वो इंसेंटिव बात करते हो। ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल कम फ्रॉम वेयर? इफ वी जनरेट मनी देयर ओनली, फ्रॉम देयर ओनली इट विल गो। गवर्नमेंट से तो कुछ पैसा नहीं आता, कहाँ से पैसा आएगा? पैसा आएगा ओनली इफ वी जनरेट आवर ओन फंड, देन ओनली विल बी एबल टू स्पेंड। अपना पैसा క్రియేట్ కरेंगे మేము మొత్తం నా స్టీల్ సేల్ చేసి డబ్బు వస్తే ఆ డబ్బుకి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ చేయడానికి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు। బట్ ఆలోచించాడు జేబులో డబ్బులు లేవు, అక్కడ నుంచి తీసేసి వస్తున్నాం। वो gone are those days when government used to give support during this. अभी गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट ఏమీ లేవు। బ్యాంకర్స్ దగ్గర వెళ్ళే బ్యాంకర్స్ చెప్తున్నారు कि भाई మీరు ఫైనాన్షియల్ కండిషన్ బాగలేవు, 14% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటారు। సో ఆ విషయం డిస్కషన్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ రావడం లేదు। ఓన్లీ కూర్చొని ఇక్కడ कि మీరు చెప్పారు ఆ టైంలో ఒక వాయిదా అయింది, ఆ వాయిదా ఫుల్ఫిల్ అయింది। बाकी रेस्ट ऑल्सो वी विल डू। 19,000 टन्स हॉट मेटल हम लोग प्रोडक्शन करना ही है। करने से विल बी एबल टू रन द प्लांट सेफली एंड फाइनेंशियली वेल सो दैट ऑल द डिमांड्स हम लोग जो बात कर रहे हैं वेलफेयर, ఆ వెల్ఫేర్ మీట్ చేయడానికి అవకాశం ఉంది, గ్యారంటీగా ఉంది। ఆలోచించండి, బ్లాస్ట్ ఫర్నేస్ మార్కెటింగ్ సిచ్యువేషన్లో ఇది మొత్తం సిచ్యువేషన్లో బ్లాస్ట్ ఫర్నేస్ షట్ డౌన్ అయిపోతే ఇది చాలా బాధపడుతుంది। మీరు అడుగుతారు ఇది ఎవరిది రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ? ఎవరిది రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ? ఇది మొత్తంది రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ। Point is that if we run the plant full-fledged, we can show to the everybody, to the top or to the anybody, that yes, this plant is a viable plant, and we are making it from. If there is some kind of a feeling, then क्या होगा कि ये plant जो है totally stop हो जाएगा। That is what my apprehension is. I never wanted to come here to discuss all this, but point इसने बताए हैं तो मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ। So let's be together. మొత్తం కలిసి పని చేసి ఆ 19,000 టన్స్ హాట్ మెటల్ ఉత్పాదనం చేస్తే మొత్తం వెల్ఫేర్ అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్ చేయడానికి అస్సలు ఒక న్యా పైసా బాధ లేదు। డిసెంబర్ నుంచి మార్చ్ వరకు 700 crores అరౌండ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అయింది। మేము చెప్పాము ఓకే 2 months ఇన్సెంటివ్ మీరు మొత్తం క్యాల్కులేట్ చేయండి। బట్ ఏదైనా క్యాల్కులేషన్ అది ఒక ఎంఎస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్తో మీరు మాట్లాడితే అది డిఫరెంట్ మ్యాటర్, అది 2 రూపాయలు ఇటు అటు అవుతుంది అంటే అవుతుంది। బట్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ దట్ వీ విల్ డూ యువర్ వెల్ఫేర్, but we must understand at this moment that 19,000 tons hot metal is the do or die situation of this plant. So please see that with this I will be closing the discussion because ఇది కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ డైరెక్షన్లో వెళ్ళిపోయింది। సో నేను చెప్తున్నాను నా ఓన్లీ ఒక ప్లీ, వీ హ్యావ్ టు సర్వైవ్ అవర్ సెల్స్। సర్వైవల్ క్వశ్చన్ అయిపోతే చాలా ప్రాబ్లం అయిపోతుంది। మొత్తం ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఇక్కడ మొత్తం యంగ్స్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఈ ప్లాంట్ అది మొత్తం full dependent on this plant. So we should be together, we should work hard to produce that 19,000 tons or 20,000 tons మీరు చేశారు, అప్పుడు రోజు చేశారు, 19,000 tons every day. And raw material you forget. That is my responsibility, our responsibility to give you the material. Raw material last మీరు ఎలాగ ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తారు. Then we have to be together. And thank you.